Di po ba sa Genesis, nilikha ng Panginoon ang lahat ng bagay sa mundo? Likas po ba na masama yung ahas na nilikha niya na siyang tumukso kay Eva na para suwayin?
Hindi naman masama yung ahas. Yung ahas na ginawa ng Diyos, di naman masama yun. Yung tumukso kay Eva, hindi ginawa ng Diyos yun. Babasahin natin Genesis 3:1. Yung ahas dyan, masyado siyang matalino. Matalino siya kaysa dun sa mga hayop na ginawa ng Diyos. O di hindi siya kasama sa ginawa. O, nakuha mo punto? Nakuha mo punto? Yung kasi si Satanas yung ahas na yon, nag-anyo lang siyang ahas. 12:9 ng Apokalipsis. Ano? Yung pala si Satanas pala yon, hindi siya talagang ahas na ginawa ng Diyos. Matalino nga siyang masyado kaysa dun sa mga ginawa ng Diyos eh. Ba't siya matalino? Si Satanas siya, nag-intsura lang siyang ahas para dayain niya si Eva.
Issue number 1. Elisariano teachings always contradict against each other. He said the snake who deceived Eve is no day creation of God, as it is Lucifer. So if the snake is Lucifer that disguised as a snake, how could Elisariano said that snake was not created by God, but he said the homosexuals were created by God? This is it. That snake is Lucifer that was created by God, meaning it was created by God. But it's not God who makes Lucifer to disguise as snake. So as God created the man who led himself to be homosexual, so it is not God who created him as homosexual.
Ahas dyan, masyado siyang matalino. Matalino siya kaysa dun sa mga hayop na ginawa ng Diyos. O di hindi siya kasama sa ginawa. O nakuha mo punto? Nakuha mo punto? Yung kasi si Satanas yung ahas na yon, nag-anyo lang siyang ahas. 12:9 ng Apokalipsis.
Issue number 2. Elisariano can't understand what he is reading. It was clearly stated in Genesis 3:1 that it is indeed talking about the characteristic of the snake, not about Lucifer, that the snake is more crafty than any of the wild animals God had created. It was not said the snake who deceived Eve is more crafty than all the snake that God had created. So it is not about it being bright or intellectuality. So that is why Lucifer decided to disguise in a form of snake. So it is unintellectual for Elisariano to make it as a basis as that serpent who deceived Eve is not included to all the snake created by God, because at Genesis 3:1 is just stating about the characteristics of all the snake that were created.
Yung talagang manug, hindi naman masyadong matalino yun eh. Mas matalino pa nga yung aso sa manug eh. Diba? Mas matalino pa nga yung langgam. Ano ba yung langgam?
Subay.
Oh, mas matalino pa. Alam nyo ba yung mga hayop na matatalino? Hindi naman yung manug ang matatalino eh. 4 sila. Basahin natin. 4 na wise creatures. Hindi kasama rin yung manug.
Issue number 3. First of all, if you read the Genesis 3:2, it is not about the intellectuality being taught. It is about craftiness. And Elisariano is wrong to compare the intellectuality between the creation and the creatures he has mentioned, because this was clearly stated in the verses we mentioned. They would been differentiated. As if you read the Proverbs 30:24, it was clearly stated as about creatures which are small, but are wise, as was not stated that they are small creatures that are wise, in all aspects, so meaning it was not stated that they are wise in other creatures or animals, or in snake, as every kinds of animals or creatures has their own capability, which others are having, but what the others are having, they don't have.
Ngayon, maaari tanong mo sa akin, bakit siya nag-disguise na manog? Bakit hindi elepante? Kasi, di ba yung bawal kainin, yung bungang bawal? Siyempre, kung yung elepante maglalambitin dun sa puno, siya magsasalita kay Eva, hindi maniniwala si Eva. Wala namang elepanteng nakabalatay sa puno eh.
Issue number 4. Elisariano is really pseudo. It is like also as he said, why is the squash or watermelon so very big, but the vine are too small? He said, if God creates it with high tree, if it falls down on you, you'll be miserable. As it arrives he makes God as moron, not realizing if God creates it with high tree, God will have it with strong stem. But if Lucifer climbed up that tree, Eve will not wonder, because it was clearly written, Adam and Eve didn't know yet the right and wrong or good and bad, or no knowledge yet. And as was clearly stated, snake is the most crafty than all the wild the animals is a reason why Lucifer and two decided to disguise. For Lucifer admired the characteristics of the snake, as though he could disguise as a bird. But the very reason is why Lucifer disguises, so that Adam couldn't recognize him, because Lucifer, Iblis the angel in Cran, did not bow down to Adam when God directed the angels to bow down to Adam, but Lucifer, who was called also as morning star, which means purity, hope, light bear, together with those other angels by jealousy, they did not bow down to Adam, so as they dishonor God, Allah. And that angel called to be Iblis, or Lucifer, asked God to be reprieved until the judgment day, as when granted by God. He then said to God that he will deceive or destroy all the gods. So that is why Lucifer disguised in a form of snake. This is the very reason why Lucifer disguises, that he will not be recognized by Adam, and us to be sure also, it is he that he deceived not Adam. As Adam heard what the angel had said to the Lord. Surah 7 verse 16 to 17.